And show Grandmommy how you put it inside. Let's do the beetle. Ready? Put it in. Let's go. One. You do one. You do one. The pacifier in. Two. Put your pacifier in. Yay! And that one. Woo! They're going. Oh, they all came out. Do it again. Want to do it again? Cadence, do it again. Put that one in. Put that one in. Put it in. Oops. Silly girly. What do you do? It's going again. Woo. I need to get it for you. Get you the ball. Here's the ball. Okay, put it in. Yay! She just started putting it in like the night before last night. But she's doing it better now. Oops, it started over. Pacifier, shere's one for you. Put it in. She likes feeling that thing spin around. This one got stuck. I'm gonna put it in again. And do it again. Ready? She's always loved this thing, but she wasn't using it right until now. Put it in. Put it in. She knows she has to wait for the music to go. Woo! Okay, here. You can put those in. Put those ones in. Put them in. What are you doing? Ready? Oh, what's it doing? It's telling us you forgot about me. One. Tick tock, tick tock. Put one in, quick! Put one in. Put one of yours in. There it goes. They're just being really quiet right now. Maybe you're pooping? Are you pooping? Is that what it is? You going poop? It's making a noise again. Are you making poop?